this. Why suddenly has Jagan Mohan Reddy cancelled his visit to the temple? Is it because if he was supposed to come here, he would have been forced to sign the mandatory declaration, something that BJP was continuously raising as well? What is the reason? What are you picking up from your sources? Why this sudden change in plan?
Well, that is for surely there. One side, Jagan Mohan Reddy's, team or else, top YSRCP leaders, they are saying that during last regime, during YSRCP's regime, Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is the national president of the YSRCP party, has visited Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, one of the biggest temples in India.
I'm just interrupting you there, requesting you to please stay on with us. I'll come back to you on that point in just a bit. Let's get a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Dinakar Lanka of the BJP is joining us on the broadcast this afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Lanka. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction: we are learning that Jagan Mohan Reddy has cancelled his visit to Tirupati.
Yeah, we have very clearly expressed our view that as per Agama Shastra Niyamam of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, everybody should be followed. There is no bar on the part of whether it is Jagan Mohan Reddy or any other, but they should follow the procedure, rules and regulations as per the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam rule book. It is what we asked for Jagan Mohan Reddy. He was continuously he was disobeyed the rules when he was in as the chief minister. He didn't give declaration. He should give declaration because his religion is very clear that his faith is Christianity. We can't say any objection. As per the constitution, he can have to use any faith. He can have trust of his faith, and that is his constitutional right. He can follow any religion. But in the case of any Hindu religion temple, if he wants to visit, he should adhere strictly the rules and regulations which were stipulated in that particular.
Right. But Mr. Dinakar Lanka, what do you think could have been the reason in this particular case? Because ahead of this visit, we are learning there were big plans. It was going to be some kind of a forgiveness puja. And, just when Jagan Mohan Reddy was supposed to leave for Tirupati, we are getting this information that, the trip has been cancelled. The whole program has been cancelled. In your opinion, what could really be the reason? Can this pressure coming in from TDP and BJP on ensuring that Jagan should sign the declaration form, confirming his faith before entering the temple? Do you think that could be the reason behind this sudden change?
We should keep away the politics regarding to the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam and any other Devasthanam is concerned. But it is the demand from the crores and millions of the Hindus across the world. Because Jagan Mohan Reddy government in his 5 years term, it is very clearly atrocities against Hindu temples and the Hindu religion was visible. We had expressed our displeasure and the Hindus expressed their displeasure, both BJP, TDP along with Janasena, Pawan Kalyanji and all. We express that Hindu Dharma shall be adhered when he visits to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam.
All right.
His true color has come out because he should give declaration. He don't like to give declaration. That's why he cancelled his trip.
Okay, so you're suggesting that maybe he does not want to sign that declaration form, and maybe that's the reason why he has cancelled his Tirupati program. Dinakar Lanka, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective on this particular story. Let me now go back to my colleague Somit, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Somit, now you're telling us that you received a message that, Jagan Mohan Reddy has cancelled his plan of Tirupati. But the big question remains, what was the reason? Suddenly, what changed? Because till about yesterday, long plans were being made. There was going to be a forgiveness puja as well. So what just changed in the last few hours?
Well, a very big development because, completely after YS Jagan Mohan Reddy and also YSRCP party announced that YSRCP cadre will be doing Homa, special puja at several temples across the Andhra Pradesh, and immediately a political, twist has begun from there, and we are seeing every day new twist, and also this is taking new turn also every day, and this political controversy has turned into the religious controversy, and after that several other religious heads and also dharmic mandals and even apex body of the VHP, all of them jumped in and they said that stern action should be initiated immediately.
Sumit, I'm just again interrupting you there, request you to stay on with us. Apologies for this. We have TDP leader Pattabhi Ram also now joining us on the broadcast. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction, big news breaking on Times Now. Jagan Mohan Reddy has cancelled his visit to Tirupati. The whole program stands cancelled.
Good afternoon. So it is proved once again today that Jagan Reddy is anti-Hindu. He has this Hindu phobia. He has no respect for Hindu traditions, cultures. He has no respect towards our temples, towards our deities. So by refusing to sign on the declaration, why had he cancelled his trip to Tirumala? Because he doesn't want to sign the declaration. It is as simple as that. Is he, bigger than former presidents and many other great leaders who have visited Tirumala? Abdul Kalamji as president, he had signed the declaration because he is a Muslim. And what is what problems does Jagan Reddy have? What is there in the declaration? It just says that I so-and-so, belonging to so-and-so religion, have faith in Lord Balaji, have respect towards Lord Balaji. So what problem does he have to sign that small declaration? Without saying that, without accepting that he has faith in Lord Balaji, what kind of darshan will he have? He says that he is going to Lord Balaji for forgiveness. So without expressing his faith in Lord Balaji, will Lord Balaji forgive him? What forgiveness he'll ask? So primarily he doesn't want to sign that declaration. That is the reason why he has cancelled his tour today, and also previously as Chief Minister. He had broke this rule. This is a rule which was incorporated through a GO in 1990. From the past, more than 3 decades, whoever visited, including Sonia Gandhi, who is a Christian, she had signed the declaration. Abdul Kalamji, many film stars who are non-Hindu, they all did that.
Right.
So, Jagan Reddy, so this clearly indicates that he is anti-Hindu. He loves, he loves to hurt the sentiments of Hindus.
Okay, Pattabhi Ram, that's your point of view. That's TDP's point of view that Jagan has Hindu phobia. He does not want to sign the declaration. Maybe that is the reason why he has cancelled his visit to Tirupati. But Pattabhi Ram, so far we do not really know. We haven't heard anything from YSRCP, any leader of YSRCP or Jagan himself. The only information that we've got so far that he's not going ahead with his Tirupati plan. We don't know whether it has been cancelled forever or it has been postponed. So we'll of course wait for a reaction from YSRCP on this. But simultaneously there were protests that were planned as well. Police had issued notices as well. What do you think is now going to happen next? What is it that you are now demanding as far as YSRCP's Jagan Mohan Reddy is concerned? Pattabhi Ram, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes.
See, the issue is very simple. If Jagan Mohan Reddy signs this declaration, all arrangements will be made for his darshan. We don't want to, block his darshan unnecessarily. We don't want to play politics in Tirumala.
Okay.
But it is Jagan Reddy who is doing that. After hurting the sentiments of crores of Hindus by adulterating the laddu, now he is again hurting the sentiments of Hindus. Why is he? Why? I think he enjoys doing that.
Okay.
That is what is paining millions across the globe.
All right.
I think time and again, he enjoys, hurting the sentiments of Hindus.
All right. Pattabhi Ram, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. This is a developing story.